Good morning and welcome to the kingdom. Today I want to teach you and show you how possible it is to make $1,000 today on one indication or one market mover, however you want to look at it. I'm here to show you how to make $1,000 in the stock market. Right now, it is about to be 8:30. We have 2 minutes left. Where we have the unemployment rate coming out there. It is pending, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings. This right here is the big one, unemployment. In the US and in Canada. It's about to hit in less than 2 minutes. The Dow is dropping. It's down about 100 points. I think we can get a reversal on this Dow. That's the 15-minute. That's the 5-minute. And that's the 1-minute. Can we get a reversal on this? Now we can just gamble and go all out there. We have a minute left. Let's gamble. Let me just show you what we can do. This market has been beaten down all morning since 7:30. So for a whole hour, it's been dropping. Let's see what happens. We can always buy more. But let's just buy this. This is only 2 contracts. We're in light. I think if it drops heavy, that was up $270. There goes the market, down 270. And there it goes. Like I said, it took a gamble. So what we can do for the bounce, this is the 5-minute. Let's see what we got on this 1-minute. Look at that. So we can play another 2 in here. I wanted this down more. That's where we're at. So we can do, let's see, I wanted to push down a little bit more. I might not get my chance. Might not get the chance. I guess not. I guess I did not get the chance. Let's see what the NASDAQ did. Wow, it's dropping. Okay. We're not going 4. We're going to go 1 contract. I just get in just to get some numbers going. I'm hoping it can come back down to here to 30s. Let's see if we can make some profit. We are up on the NASDAQ. Up pretty heavy on the NASDAQ with only 1 contract. There goes our $200 for the day. We're out of there at 590. 590. And look at this runner. Look at this runner. We're out at 590 and 510. We're out 590 plus 510. $1,100. You saw it live. 4 minutes into this thing. Literally 2 minutes into trading. $1,100. It does not get better than this. 1,100 in the first 5 minutes of trading. Absolutely beautiful. This is the kingdom, people. This is how we do it. It does not take all day at all. Now look at that run up. Oh my God. If we stayed in this $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 day. Let's look at the 5-minute. From there all the way down to there. Oh, wow. Now I really want to short this. I don't even know what to do right now. I think we're going to play this, see how much more money we can make. But I should just clip this as a short, and that was it. Man, I could have short. That was it. I could have shorted that. Short that into the 20s. Short that into the 20s. If it pops up into the 20s, I'm shorting it. Look at that move. Man, I'm going heavy. I'm going 5,000 in this. See if we can get a short scalp on this. Cause that is huge. They must have had some good numbers. Look at this thing. I would like to short the Dow too. One more minute to this next candle. There's the next candle. And it's pushing hard. Added 2 more contracts. Now we just have to be patient and wait for the next move, the next candle. And what you can do, that move right there, 500 to the 5, this is a 30-point move. So now we're just going to be patient. Now we're just going to be patient. Down $1,000. So I just gave back what I had in there. This could be, so what we can come over here and let's see if it breaks out of this box. We can draw a box here. Okay, let's see if that was the top. What I'm going to do is if I catch a scalp, even if it's $100, if I catch that, I want to keep my 1100. We just had 11 profit. There's 480. We just pulled out, actually went down. Slippage, we have 380 plus 380. $1,480 this morning. All within 10 minutes. Another $1,400 day. Go back to my other videos. The last video I made it $1,400. So this is what we're averaging, $1,400. Looks like that was the top. Drawn down. I like the 5-minute chart on here. Let's go back. Yeah, that was beautiful. If this pushes up again, I'm going to do it all over. Rinse and repeat. And this can just stay high into the close. I should have stayed in it for this bar here. That was my fault. I just wanted to take the money and run. 1,400, very comfortable in 10 minutes. As I tell people, I always get out early. Always. Oh, we missed more profit on that. See if this can pop back up. That's beautiful. 5-minute. Overextended. Look at that major bar. Let's see if we go here. Let's see what okay, so we had unemployment rate 4.3%. 22K. Forecast was for employment change to be at 75. Previously was 79. They forecast 75, but it was actually under 22. So that's probably why it pushed the market up so high. So then you can come over here and just read what happened. So the U.S. market continues slow. There were only 22,000 new jobs added last month. So maybe the market jumped up so high because they think if everything is slowing down, Powell might lower the interest rate. Yeah, I think that's what happened. And then it pushed the market up so high on that news. And look at it drop. So that's playing the news. $1,400 in 5 minutes off of this number. I love how we do this here. Absolutely love it. And so now it's 8:45 in the morning and we are going to wait for the market opens. I have other work to do, so I probably will not be trading the market open. I just made $1,400. Now I'm done for the day. all in 5 minutes. I can go do whatever else I want to get done. Go back to sleep. Go to school. Go study something. This is not hard, people. It's not rocket science. It's the greatest wealth transfer. All you Christians talk about the wealth transfer. You don't even know what you're talking about. You just witnessed wealth being transferred. But more on that in another video. Look at this reversal. Back up. On our line right there. Pop back up. I'm not even paying attention. I would have got in on that. Back to the VWAP. If it gets over that, all you do is buy for a quick trade. Like right there, just buy. It's the 5-minute. You just buy that push up. Even if it comes down, it's only coming down to here. Most back down to here. If you were putting a stop in, you put your stop right down here. Put it at 610. I told you what direction it was going. You could have made a few dollars off that little push up. Look at it. Just gave you the play. Could have made a few dollars and got out. Your goal is $200 a day. We just made $1,400. All within 5 minutes. Because we're a part of the kingdom. My question is, are you? If not, this is the place where you become baptized in this way. This is where I teach people of faith how to become financially free. And I teach you how to break this cycle of poverty that's over you. If that's what you want, then this is the place you're supposed to be. And I'm going to show you 2 ways, through the stock market, which I just did, and through a business, which I have on the other videos, and I'm going to get back into those also. All I want you to do is remember what God said. He said, seek first the kingdom, and everything will be added unto you. So I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.